Think back to the days before Tower entered your life. Remember the frustration of searching for misplaced tools, the wasted time sifting through mountains of paperwork, the constant feeling of being one misplaced stapler away from a full-blown meltdown? Those days are gone, my friends, banished to the realm of distant, unpleasant memories. Like that one time you accidentally wore mismatched socks to an important meeting. With Tower as our guide, we've unlocked a level of efficiency we never thought possible. We've streamlined workflows, minimized wasted time and effort, and created a workspace that's not only visually appealing, but also a joy to work in. And that, my friends, is the true magic of Tower. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an environment that supports and enhances our productivity, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, conquering the world, or at least our to-do list.